everything. Fire everything right now.
Okay, I'll fire everything now. I just was finishing talking to Marcus and
Step out.
Okay, I'm gonna talk to Marcus.
Get the f*** off my Expo chef now! Get the f*** off!
And any other time in kitchens, in collaborative environments, I am all about like the collaborative, bring ideas together, rub off on each other. But in moments like this, there needs to be like this dictatorial relationship sometimes, you know what I mean? And this is case by case, but like this specific moment, Sydney having her way of thinking about it and not being aligned with how Carmen wants to tackle it, that is just a recipe for disaster, pardon the pun. But Carmen being able to say like, nope, we're going to fire everything. We're going to follow this system. And that's what we're going to roll forward with, is like, you kind of need to take the person with the most kind of experience in a situation like this and just have them run it. It's not a time to have a team meeting and do a whiteboarding brainstorming session. It's like, this is all hands on deck. We need to absolutely just crush this out.